What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the IQ Shield matte screen protector for the OnePlus 9 Pro. I purchased this screen protector from Amazon for $7.85. This comes with two anti-glare, anti-bubble films. For those of you who watch a lot of my videos, you know that I love matte or matte screen protectors, whichever way you want to pronounce it. I prefer those much better than the clear screen protectors. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do this!
Gadgets.
This will be my first time using an IQ Shield screen protector. It has anti-glare coating, matte finish, maximum coverage for your device, effectively reduces harsh light and glare, self-healing scratch-resistant surface, removes without leaving residue. Now, towards the bottom, matte anti-glare premium, but also check this out. You have lifetime replacements, plus they're saying bubble-free guarantee. Now that's a bold guarantee and we'll have to see. So do a quick box tour. The OnePlus 9 Pro already has a pre-installed screen protector, as you see right here. What I'm doing here is just removing the screen protector, and it's actually a pretty thick one, so not a cheap one, but I prefer the matte screen protectors. This is the installation solution. Then you have the thank you for your IQ Shield purchase, as well as instructions. Next up, we have the included cleaning cloth. You'll use this tool to push out the bubbles or any installation solution. And lastly, here are the two film screen protectors. Now I'm going to be quiet so you can watch the installation process.
Spectacular Gadgets.
So here it is after kind of squeegeeing out the solution and trying to get the bubbles out. I noticed that the sides here don't really stay on or go down that well. So hopefully this won't be a problem once it dries, but make sure that you put it back in place after using the little squeegee tool. Just make sure you line it back up before you sit it down. Now they suggest that you don't use a device for about 24 hours at the most, and that way that it has time to dry. But take a look at what it looks like right now directly after installation. You notice a lot of bubbles. You notice the sides, because of this device it curves. The screen does curve a little bit, so I'm going to try to press down the sides, but I don't want to move it too much because, as you notice, the protector is still kind of moving. I may have used a little too much solution, but we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna leave this alone for a day. So it is Sunday, April 4th, and I'm gonna leave it sitting here, and you can get one last look of how it looks before a day goes by. So take a look at the sides. That's something that I'm kind of concerned about, but we'll see how this all turns out. Well, look at this. It looks fantastic. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't think it was gonna turn out like this. It kind of had me nervous. I mean, you saw how I left it, but like after a day, you know, all the moisture and everything left, but I still had maybe like 3 or 4 bubbles, and then towards a couple days, all of them just disappeared like magic. So this looks amazing, and it looks really good on the device. And check out the sides even. They were able to go ahead and lay down. I had to press it down a little bit, but it still did a good job, as you can see. Now let me show you what putting a case on. It doesn't disrupt the sides that I was so concerned about, as you see. So it works well with cases. It doesn't lift up or anything like that. I would totally recommend this matte screen protector if you are one that does appreciate matte screen protectors. And don't be intimidated by the liquid that you use for the installation solution. And if you do happen to use too much, go ahead and shake some of that excess solution off. But in the end, you see how it turned out. And plus you get lifetime replacements. And at $7.85, I mean, it to me seems like a no-brainer. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.